Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. Today we are making a shot glass. So far we've made a wine glass, we've made a beer glass, and now we will make the shot glass. So pretty simple. We're just going to be starting off with a circle again. Let's add to mesh, circle, scale. It's going to be a pretty large demonstration of a shot glass, but there you go. Right, we're going to go number pad 1 just to show you what it looks like at the side. Go to edit mode, press F for fill, E to extrude, just scale it out just slightly, E to extrude. This is like a really easy build. Scale it out, E to extrude, and I think that will be our shot glass. You want to make the edges smooth, so just pull them in just slightly, E for extrude, scale, E for extrude, scale inwards, then take that down, G. I'll just turn on the X-ray for you so you can see what's going on. You want to press E for extrude, bring it down, E for extrude again, bring it down, and then scale so there's a little bit of a lip along the sides, and then you can do like a little extrude and just round it off if you'd like. This is your shot glass, your world. Okay, right click, shade smooth, and then we're going to the materials tab, new, and then we will add glass. So hold on, before I do that I'm just going to go into the render and change this to cycles. We'll do rendered view. You can see the shot glass right here. It's a little bit rough. If you want a rough shot glass, I mean, you can have a rough shot glass. I'm just going to turn the roughness down. And there is your shot glass. There is the glass in all its glory. Just add a, sorry, not a cube, a plane, just on the bottom so you can see it a little better. I don't know where the light's gone, but it's gone somewhere. Is that it? Are you the light? Right. There we go. Let's see. So you can see the basic shape of the shot glass coming through there. If I put the sun or a spotlight, maybe. You can also change the colour of your shot glass if you'd like as well. So you got a kind of blue shot glass there. Now you notice that that's quite dark. It's because I've only got one light on it at the minute. Let's see. Come on. My computer's been a bit slow tonight. Right. Let's get some more lighting on this. Just going to alter the IOR just slightly so you got more light coming in. And there you have it. There's your shot glass. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get the next tutorial.